Feeling tight muscles after a long day or sore after a tough workout? What if you could get a deep tissue massage anytime, anywhere, without visiting a spa? Today we're checking out the AERLANG Massage Gun Deep Tissue Muscle Massager, a handheld percussion massager designed to relieve tension in your back, neck, shoulders, and legs. With 9 intensity levels and 4 massage modes, it promises professional-level muscle recovery in a compact device. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more products.